Welcome mga kanamnam! For today's video ay magluluto po tayo ng chicken honey garlic. Honey chicken garlic pala. Okay, let's start!
A half kjt, chicken sliced. Season with salt and pepper. Following are the ingredients. A quarter cup of water, 10 cloves garlic, a half cup honey, 3 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce. And now, let's start. Heat the pan and gently put the sliced chicken. And wait till medium brown, then flip the other side. When both sides are medium brown and cooked, we can now start for the sauce. Put the garlic and fry until fragrant. Then put the honey. Water. Vinegar. Soy sauce. And let it simmer. And wait until the sauce thickens slightly. Add chili optional. And if you enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Ready to serve. Garnish spring onions optional. Thank you for watching.